Welcome back. I'm gonna do some work on this concept today of Kyle's. I already pulled the valve cover off. We did a compression test. Discovered, I don't know if you can see it or not, it should be tight like the rest of them, but the valve is down like 1/8 of an inch and it's a little stuck open. So you know what that means, no bueno. I'm gonna get this intake manifold off, tear this head off, see how bad in depth that cylinder is. All the other holes were kind of worn out, but not completely gone. So we're gonna take it all apart, see what kind of work that needs. It also got pretty hot that night too. So the heads are gonna go to Corey. He's gonna pressure test those. And we're just gonna get some rings and bearings coming. Hopefully we don't have to do too much replacement of parts. That'll be the plan for now. I'm gonna start tearing into this thing, see how bad it really is. All right, so what we expected, it did a little kissy right there. The exhaust valve, not like death, but enough to where it's gonna have to get, I don't know what he's gonna want to do, if we just order a piston or how in depth he wants to go. You can see the valve is supposed to be shut there. It's not. So we'll have to take this head in to Corey and have him work his magic on it. But yeah, at least nothing's like catastrophically broken. That can be fixed. I mean, if you wanted to, you can even run that. I just need to find out what this bore size is, because there's no crosshatch left on the cylinder walls. I'm assuming the rings are probably pretty worn out, to say the least. So yeah, we'll just see what Kyle wants to do. Worst case, we just pull the piston out, put a piston on, or buy a set. Whatever. We'll just play her as she goes. Well, 14 degrees in here. About an hour and a half later, give or take. It's in pieces. She pretty wore out. She's pretty wore out. But I don't know. Nothing was like catastrophically wrong anywhere other than that one piston that got smoked. Crank looks good. So we'll just get this block dropped off to Corey and have him punch it, get it ready to go, order a set of rings, bearings, pistons, and throw this thing back together. Shouldn't be too terribly long of a project, but yeah, he's in no hurry for it because he's gonna do some things to the car, and it's still only the beginning, mid-January. But when I get the block back, it'll just be a matter of filing rings, putting the bearings in, and just throwing it together. So yeah, didn't take too terribly long. Ran into a couple problems, but it's a given. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and try to unthaw my feet because this concrete's 14 degrees because I don't have the floor heat hooked up yet. But yeah, looking forward to putting it back together. Looking forward. Anyways, thanks for sticking around if you stayed around for the whole thing. Appreciate you watching. We will see you later.